dog. What part of the dog is that? I don't know. It's good though. Welcome back to the Summernats factory. We're out on Northbourne Avenue doing the Super Cruise. We're in the
finest automobile.
Finest EB Falcon.
Thanks, Sean. Take us for a drive. No
Winds are powered.
I looked at you, I was like, oh, I know these blokes. You do that. I am, do you?
Nice Tirana there with a... It's got a thong slappers sticker on the back, so I'm assuming it's a 253.
If you haven't been to Summernats would have to be Australia's, if not the world's, biggest horsepower party. It's been going since 1987, and this will be home to the toughest cars in Australia, without a doubt. There's awesome stuff. Anything from, we've got a Mini behind us here, anything from that to Sean's bright green EB. This thing is cool. I do like it. It is an awesome car. I am a sucker for a nice Falcon. And we've got a weekend jam-packed full of skids, cruising, dyno sessions. What else is going on, Alan? You're gonna eat a hot Dadwood dog?
We're gonna race a mower.
Gonna race some mower maybe?
Eat Dagwood dogs, get dysentery.
And drink some VB.
Drink some VB, yeah.
So stay tuned. We've got a massive episode coming up for you. I'll just grab our 2 6-packs, thanks mate. Welcome to Canberra. It's just like the one time a year they get something exciting happening now.
Yes, other than political stoushes.
Hey boys! Yoo-hoo! The crewman, probably the shortest crewman you'll ever see in your life. Oh, mate, still going up here, popping it out. There you go. The crowd's going skids. True Summernats style, brother. How good's that?
That's fucking nice. Makes all the hard work worth it, eh?
The beverage of choice at Summernats. The people you run into at Summernats, eh? Hey! Hack shop boys.
I like your choice of attire.
Mate, I wore this shirt. I like it.
Represent.
Hell yeah. So we're in, Nathan, this is yours, yeah?
Yeah, this is my Fairlane.
Yeah, so Nathan's NL Fairlane. NF, oh my bad. Single cam,
no dizzy.
AU intake motor, is it?
No. It's a standard EF.
Nice. With a nice turbo off the side. Is that, you got like a Verax or something, don't you, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, no, it's got a dump pipe right here.
And you open it up and it goes by.
Yeah, straight out. Yeah.
Oh, nice inlet manifold there, mate.
Yeah, we know some people.
Alright, so if you haven't done, jump over and click the link in the corner, check out Hack Shop Garage. I'm wearing the shirt.
Radiator.
There you go. Awesome content, awesome cars, awesome blokes.
Thanks, man.
So you see an R34, could be a little bit rich, but looks like a bit of diesel smoke. You're not too sure what's going on. And then you find this in there. What? That is pretty cool. Who owns it? Who's the owner? Yeah, sick, man. That's sick. Just got handed the keys to Mr. Hollywood's VK. Street car, he says. Oh, I said, what's it? Oh, damn, you're skinny. What's the starting procedure, sir? He said, oh, it's just a street car. What have I done? So you loan me the car. This is a curse. This is a Woody curse. The Woody curse.
It was foolish to let you.
You loan me your car and I can't start it.
I told him he's got to pull the plugs. I reckon you fucking flooded them.
I didn't touch nothing. I touched nothing. Alrighty then. The most powerful car I've driven.
He's a power arm. Kid's too spoiled with no power steering. He's like, "Argh!"
It's alright, he couldn't start it, so there's no need for steering.
Oh, bless him.
Hand me the keys to your 2,000 horsepower street car and tell me it's a street car. Yeah, no worries. Oh, here's the trans brake button, by the way, Woody, if you want to use it inside. I ain't ever gonna do that to your car. Alright. Trans brake it, brah. Bumping in. Has this one got a trans brake in this?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Andrew, you need some like electric shit on that so you don't have to keep doing it using your hands.
I know, mate. I do.
Hey, so this is Adam's VK all show. This thing is absolutely wild. To be in the presence of this car is actually pretty sick. It's crazy. Oh, no biggie. 1500 kilowatts, shrugs. I just want to thank
You boys for the tune, alright?
Oh, thanks mate, thank you. Was that when I found the plugs before?
Mainly Al.
I heard you got a YouTube channel. Can you point to the corner, this corner over here, and just say your YouTube channel name?
YouTube link up here, or it'll be somewhere.
Don't give me the wrong idea.
It might be down here.
No, but seriously, dudes, click the corner, check out MPW Performance and Fabrication.
This is one of my favourite cars ever.
There you go, there you go.
So good.
How's that? Truth be told, it's awesome. Hey Al, I got to sit in the driver's seat and hit the trans brake.
Yeah.
Well, actually Adam hit the trans brake, but
Hey,
I know.
not that I could find reverse.
What do you reckon you do a skid on Skid Row then?
Maybe not today.
I've seen this guy try a trans brake, I don't trust him.
Day 2 at Summernats. I've been promoted to commentator in the Haltech Heroes Pavilion here. Starting off with the first car. Well, it's actually probably the 5th car on the dyno at the moment, but it's a nice little AE82 Corolla powered by none other than a 4AGE blacktop. Awesome little car, really well done. Got a Haltech in there. I think it might be a Haltech 752. Kind of a similar scheme to what mine is too. Nice painted engine bay, everything's well done. Shout out to the boys from MPW too for putting on the dyno all day. Pulsing cars on and off. So we're in for a good day. The most power so far has been Benny's Cresta, I think, with 1100. But this is where you'll find me. I'll be here all day long. Alright, so we're down in the Maguire's Pavilion now. This is where all the top 60 cars are. It's absolutely insane. The build quality of these cars. I mean, look, I like to say we built some pretty cool cars, but some of these cars are just absolutely wild, mind-blowing the work that goes into them. We actually are about to jump up on stage for Summernats video. I think they're doing a live stream too, which I'll try and link also if you want to check that out. Some of these cars, which I think I'm going to end up passing it to Al so he can do a walk around and check these cars out, because it is absolutely wild. And look at this thing. Everything's powder coated. Everything's painted, everything looks so schmicko. Not a part on the car that's not untouched. All right, day 3, Summernats. I'm here at the Burnout pad. Gonna go check out some Burnout Masters. Al's not interested in skids. Why no skids?
Can't see it, it's all smoke.
Al's gonna go check out the top 60 haul and just check out a few cars, walk around with the GoPro. Suss it out. Yee!
Is that Lynchy?
Yee-hee! Summernats!
Yeah, mate.
So I popped down to the Rare Spares Pavilion, come down to the Haltech stand, check it out. So we've got the Fox Body Barra here. Barra Fox Body, either or. Look who it is!
Hello mate.
How are ya?
I'm well, how you going?
Good, good, having a good weekend?
I am.
Yeah.
I am, it's busy.
It is
Like,
very busy, yeah. Haltech stand's been going off.
Haltech stand has been flat out.
It's good,
all
it's good.
weekend.
Awesome.
Yes, we've got a lineup of people and you're not even on it yet.
No, I'm not even here. I just came down to say hi. How good's a Fox Body though?
How good is it? How good that Benny had it in the shop and we could get it down here. We had a bit of a drama. We were meant to have another car and the other car couldn't make it.
And
Benny to the rescue.
Benny to the rescue, awesome.
Yeah.
All right then. Might check out some other traders and then I'll bail out, go see some more skids. Fernando, it's away. You having fun or what?
Yeah, it's going good.
Yeah, good on ya. You
Very
guys have been
busy.
manning the fort all weekend, good on ya.
Flat out.
Yeah, dog. So there's something for everyone in the traders hall. Merchandise, street machine, there's turbos hanging around, everything. Even might come speak to the guys and get yourself a bottle of wine if you want, maybe. Hey boys! What's up? Get on it, get on it! So this very well could be the last time I speak to the camera because Alan and I are about to jump on these things. These are racing mowers. Most of them are powered by motorbike engines, clutches, straight down to a gear drive at the back. It's pretty much, I would like to say a go-kart on steroids, but also it's not a go-kart at all. Some of them are more traditional mower types. This one here actually does have like I think it's a Kohler V-twin versus some of these, like look at this two-banger, which is KTM 200 possibly. Could even be a 300 or 250, not too sure. But look, they're absolutely skits, they're crazy. Alan, you keen for mowers or not?
I am a bit keen.
Yeah?
I think I'm going to have to opt for a two-stroke though.
Well, okay then. How you going guys, how are ya? Thanks for letting us join in.
No worries.
And we've got some loaned helmets here, thanks mate. Benny, you're going down, you know that, eh?
To finish first, Woody, first you have to finish, my friend.
So Dylan's giving me a rundown. I'm riding the Lady Boy here. This is a 250, is it? Honda 250? Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
So what was the go with the style line? What'd you say?
Just put her in first gear, mate. Put the clutch in and hold on the limiter and let the clutch go.
All right. Da 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 da. And Al's on this two-stroke. What's that? Is that thing yours too, isn't it?
No, it's Liam's one, mate.
And who's quicker? What's the quicker mower here?
That'll be Levi's.
This one? Yeah, for sure. Awesome.
Quicker, yeah.
This is pretty skits. We got to run down before having the lower seats a bit better too, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Center of
awesome.
Gravity.
All right, thanks for letting us use your mowers too. It's like probably like loaning your car out, dude, or your bike. Yeah. Thanks heaps, man. Really appreciate it.
No worries, man.
How'd you go? Go for a lap with that on your helmet. Scooch it on. Talk about going slow, you got the red mist straight away.
It's like riding a Kato. Oh, it's so hard on the bloody hips.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. I'm on the Lady Boy Iron Horse. Benny's on the ground support. And we've got Alan the motivator here. Dude! I'm shaking. That is Skids. I was trying to run the wall the last lap there to you.
You never get there.
Oh, you got me, you bastard! Al just went for gold. That thing's so quick.
Man, that's amazing.
Yeah, trophy's going down. Whoa.
Alan killed it.
Alan took the win.
Alan took the win. Right, who got second, Woody?
And he got second.
Where's Caroline? Sorry, we just have to.
Have you ever thought about getting into mile racing? go and build one. That was absolutely skits. That was so much fun.
Now, but I'll definitely come and get you here tomorrow as
Al
well.
took the win.
Yeah, sick.
Gian's on the camera. Hey, this is Gian, by the way, guys. Gian does all of Benny's videos.
Cheers.
And there's Phil, Benny's dad. Yee-hoo! Where are we off to now? What are we doing?
I'm gonna go back to the dyno hall, drop some stuff off, and I'm gonna go with the homies.
All right, Alan, what are you doing?
I'm going to have a melon squash.
All right, let's go. Your shout. So we've seen heaps of shirts here down at Summernats, and it's really cool to see the matching shirt. Check it out. How are you, brother? Thanks for coming, man. You good?
I'm very good. How are you boys?
Yeah, we're having fun.
Very, very stylish. It is, isn't it? It's not a bad shirt. Not a bad shirt. Mine is polyester. Crank sensor and everything on it. Fatty.
You're a sucker for 1,000, Alan, aren't you?
I am.
Hey, is it 1,000, 1,200 because it's a U?
This is 1,000. Oh, different. It's a B10.
Yeah, the Equipo ones. Check it out.
Sick, man. Love it.
Alright, so I ended up with Jared, a fan. He's got a K70 powered by a 1JZ, pretty skids drift car. He's with the guys here from Drift Cadet. They're doing a whole drifting display. So we're about to jump in a drift car. Are you going K70 or 370Z? What do you reckon?
What do you rock? You want K70, I know you do.
I'm a Toyota guy, you know that, yeah.
Yeah, they both got Toyota engines in it.
True that, true that.
I'll go 370.
370, alright, sweet as. So we're waiting on Pete and or Liam. We've got to sign our lives away to say we can't hurt ourselves, and then we're helmet on. How's the God's motor over there? SR20, get amongst it, and then we're good to go, straight out on track. All right, we're all suited up. Helmets on, long sleeves. Drift Cadet long sleeve, ready to go. This one's a bit big for me, but I'm secretly a fatty at heart, so don't worry about that. We're jumping in. Thanks, Pete. Cheers, man. We're jumping in with, we've got a 2J.
Some poo from the previous dude.
Oh no! We've got a 1.5J K70 wagon, and this is also, I'm pretty sure, 1.5J. Yeah? Absolutely skids. Here we go, check it out. Both absolutely skids cars, and for what I'm told, apparently hand built by himself. Oh, you do all the fab yourself, eh?
Yeah.
There you go, awesome car. So I think I've already made the decision. I want to jump in the case. You're in this thing? You're in here? Are you in the 370, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, sweet, cool. Al's gonna jump in the 370. I'm gonna jump in the K70. Wait, actually, Al, you take this. It's already recording. Just go for gold.
All strapped in capable hands. It's my first night.
All right, here we go. Absolutely love it.
Good fun, mate?
Oh, it's so good. I can't wait to build a drift car of my own, man. This is so good. That's so sick. Thanks so much, Chad.
Thanks,
I appreciate that so much, man. It's so good.
Not a problem.
I hope you were recording because my phone stopped halfway through.
I think I was, yeah. Thanks, mate.
Wait, we're building a drift car, by the way, too.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
You'll crash.
So a little bit of drifting to kind of end the day. I'm not too sure what's going on now. We've had a blast here. If you ever come to Summernats, come on down. Pay to see these guys. Go out for a run. Thank you, Drift Cadet. That was absolutely awesome. I see you found a tail shaft, sir. What did you do, baby?
Just a lifter, bro.
Just a lifter, you think, Benny?
Just a lifter, bro.
Weren't you saying before you've already got another engine and heads on the way, or
Yeah, the car park mechanics are like, oh, it's just a lifter, bro. I was like, we'll go with that.
what? Mr. Adam!
Stronger than ever. It's almost a tank engine.
How are you, mate?
Good, mate, good.
Morning, Tappy. Hello. All right, so Mr. Chuch and Chuch over here didn't want to line up yesterday to film the top 60 haul. So we're here, it's now Sunday morning. Some of the cars have already left, but there is still a bunch inside the McGuire's all here, so we're going to do a walk around. Do you want to do a talk about them?
I can talk about cars.
All right. We'll
Pretty good at talking about
There's still a
cars.
bunch in here, so we'll just do a quick little walk around and check out some of the cool cars that are still left.
All right, it's a bit loud in here. There's a bit of music playing, which is a pain in the ass for us because we're not allowed to play other people's music. This car, you probably recognise this, looks very similar to Oldcock's car. This is an XW GT Falcon. Oldcock's is an XY, which is just the next model on. This has got, by the looks of it, it's got a 429 cube, so it's obviously a stroke Clevo. It's pretty nice. It's got a big carby on it, which is some weird looking carby that doesn't have throttle blades. So Woody will have a look at the engine bay.
And this is the kind of caliber you see here at Summernats too. Not a bolt untouched. Everything is absolutely schmicko. Looks almost original, but then with a bunch of nitrous added on top there. This thing is really well done. And this is the top 60 haul too, so this is, you know, these are the best cars in Australia without a doubt. Absolutely beautiful.
Another Aussie icon. It's an LH Tirana. This car was raced at Bathurst also. It was actually very dominant with Peter Brock at the wheel. This appears to be a show car that's based on an actual touring car. It's dry sump Holden 308, like an Iron Lion. It's got a full roll cage and everything, and it's even got the side pipes that they had originally in the 70s. So it's pretty neat. it's got a few modern touches with brakes and wheels and stuff, so very nice. Everyone in Australia will know this car. It's a VL Commodore, or Calais in this case. Another iconic Australian car. This, I would call this basically a race show car, which is, there's actually a lot of cars like that here. Got a RB26, or it's probably a 2630 or something like that. Massive turbo, heaps of Australian made componentry on it, and as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. Perfect. Another good example of a race show car. This is obviously a pretty serious bit of gear. It's got a huge big block Chev in it. It's run by Haltech ECU, but it's also got dry nitrous, one dry nitrous kit and one wet nitrous kit, so fuel and nitrous going in. It's also been converted to left-hand drive, which is a bit of a drag racing thing over here. It's better weight distribution. Beautiful car.
Full carbon fibre front clip, I think, too, by the looks of things. Yeah, like crazy stuff. Absolute work of art.
So this would probably be the road version of the previous car. It's actually the same vehicle, but it's obviously a road car still. Monaro GTS, HKTG, I can't tell the difference between the three. It's got some neat touches in the engine bay. It's got Hillborn style injection stacks, but not mechanically injected. It's actually EFI. It's also got some cool rocker covers that have got 5 litre Holden written on them, even though it's actually a 10 litre big block. So pretty cool touches there. You'll probably see this one around. I think it's built by Proflow Performance. Absolutely beautiful. Good example of the diversity of the cars in Summernats. This is a 64 Impala Wagon. This is actually an Australian delivered car in right-hand drive in 64, built in Canada. So it's got a nice little 350 small block in it. Just really nicely done. A lot of love for American cars in Australia. If you're watching from outside Australia, we do really get into the American stuff, and I particularly like them if they're right-hand drive, to be honest.
Americans are the ones with the cool cars. You have all the cool cars. We've got crappy cars. A Falcon is not cool. They are.
Don't say that.
Unless it's an AU.
Unless it's an AU. Another great example of diversity, and that mini trucking is not dead. This car is a 90s Hilux mini truck. It's got a LS1 T56, all detailed, heaps of custom fabrication works. Actually built by the winner of the Laurie Starling Street Machine Scholarship in 2020, Jazzy Green. So she's an apprentice, I guess, car builder. I don't know, pretty diverse field. Done a beautiful job.
She's done it all herself, I think. Trim, bodywork, paint, everything. Yeah. And was painted a few days before Summernats too.
Super talented.
Yeah, very talented. Very nice car.
We'd love to show you every car, but for a start, they're emptying out really fast, and also there were 60 of them, so a bit of work there. This one is of note though. This is an OG auto salon vehicle. Still registered in the same plate. It's actually been restored from its auto salon days and resubmitted as a show car, so it's kind of cool. It's even got the old Hot Fours magazine on the dash of where it was featured, and I remember it from the 2000s very well.
Yeah, the long roof. So it's a final day of Summernats 34. We're back in the Dyno Pavilion. Today's the Haltech Horsepower Hero Shootout, and it's currently Battle of the Barras. So we've got the FG Falcon, Haltech goodies, big ball going to turbo. Benny's Crester's over on the dyno there at the moment. Benny's on the microphone, and the FGX Falcon over here taking out the top figures. I think this QE currently has the highest figure for 8-cylinder aspirated. It's got a big block Chev in there, very tidy car, very nice. There's lots going on today too. There is the Burnout Masters on. There's still some more mower racing, and I believe that obviously Tough Street, Skid Row, everything's still going on. We'll try to cover some more of that action. We'll just see what happens. We fly out this afternoon, we fly home. We've had a great weekend down here. It's been absolutely awesome. I can't wait to come back next year. This is bloody top notch. with that Nick Fry. Shout out to the Flyers throughout the weekend. Thanks for putting in your hard work, mate. Appreciate it. Everyone's volunteering here to keep us all safe. Cheers, dude.
Yeah, no, too easy. Thanks, man.
Run back into Michael and Nathan from Hack Shop. Gonna go for another lap in the beautiful fair lane. And I think that might be my final lap for Summernats 34, to be honest, because we have to get to the airport, so we've got to fly home. So, hi everybody. It's Skid Row time. The final skid in Skid Row for the skid factory at Summernats. What, are you gonna hit top gear or not?
Huh?
Top gear or not?
Nah. I don't know how we're gonna go. It's the first skid. I think we'll just keep it in second.
Yeah, dogs. That was sick.
I couldn't hold it back.
That was awesome. Hey, thanks for your hard work all weekend, mate. Appreciate it. Absolute legend. To the dyno room, please, sir.
Yeah, no worries.
Start the fair and we're good to go. It's Hack Shop Garage, ladies and gentlemen. Give them a follow on YouTube. Thanks, dudes. See you, man.
That's a wrap for Summernats 34. We've had a great time. Highly recommended. First time Summernats goer. Really loved it.
We had a blast hanging out with the crew from MPW down here. Give them a follow on YouTube, MPW Performance and Fabrication. They've just started up. Adam's Blue VK is an absolute work of art. Also the guys from Hack Shop Garage, we've been hanging with them all weekend. Both absolute gentlemen, Nathan and Michael. Thanks for taking us for cruises, dudes. We absolutely love it. Thanks to Summernats for having us. I hope this is my third year. I love it. I love coming back. I can't wait for next year. I'm pretty sure we might be building a mower to bring back.
A mower or a big block with a blower.
Hopefully we can bring our own cars and maybe a mower. We're not too sure yet. We've had a blast. Awesome weekend. As Al said, next year, just come on down. It's worth it. It's worth every cent. It's an absolute awesome event. World's biggest horsepower party without a doubt.
100%.
All right. Thanks for watching, dudes. We'll see you, don't know when this is going to come out. We're meant to be on holidays and I'm still working, so maybe next week? Working. All right, sweet as. See you soon, cheers. When you've got a street car, you've got to have it trimmed so you can't see it. So you got to just do the old little finger bash and you're sorted.
What about the car though?
So you're pretty much ready to do your first 7.
I'm ready for a trans brake hit. Hey Alan, you know what I like about Silverados?
They're huge.
All the cup holders. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. One on the door. Get one on the door there, another couple there. You can have like 10 drinks and stay hydrated the whole time.
Drinks for 3 people. Yeah. Hello, welcome back to the Skid Factory. This is Cousin spitting on a Saturday night.